Yo, fall's finally here, and I want you to be the most stylish guy possible with 7 fall essentials that I believe every guy should have in their wardrobe, starting with number 1, chunky boots. Yo, out of the entire list, this is the one you should run. Don't walk, run to go get if you do not have. The beauty of boots, I have boots in my wardrobe that I probably bought 4 or 5 years ago. Every time it's fall and winter, I'll pull them out, back at it again. It is dollar for dollar the best investment you can make when it comes to durability, functionality, because it keeps you warm, but also when it comes to your attractiveness and style. It will always be in season. It makes you look taller. It makes you look more rugged, which takes us to number 2. Leather jackets. I don't know if you've been paying attention to runways, but I know you've been paying attention to Kanye West. And yes, he has a lot of controversy, but look at the man's style. That's all I care about. The dude has been rocking leather jackets like crazy at every major fashion show. You want to know what that signals? It's coming, and it's coming in hot. This is one of those staples where when you buy it similar to leather boots, it ain't going anywhere. Leather jackets aren't this trendy piece that you're going to wear for the next 2 years and then it's gone. It is something that if you buy a quality one, you could easily have for the next 10 years. Again, similar to boots, dollar for dollar, one of the best investments you can make for fall and winter. And if you want a great one, you got to check out our boys over at Thursday. Yo, Thursday crush it when it came to boots. But now they're doing all these side quests, and they're doing it better than anybody else. They got their sneakers, they got their shoes, but they also got their jackets. This is an area that I don't think most people know, where Thursday is sourcing some of the best leathers in the world, similar to how they're doing their boots, and making quality leather jackets where you can actually afford it because they're cutting out middlemen. Now you can buy yourself a stylish jacket. This one that you're seeing is from Thursday, which has more of a suede effect, and I love it because it's simple. It's something easy. I could throw it on dressed up or dressed down with a simple tank top like you're seeing here, and it just levels up any outfit. You just look better, and because it's leather, the more I wear this thing, the better it's gonna look. The great thing with leather is that with age and time, you develop character, and now you basically have a unique one-of-one piece that's completely custom to you, and it fits like a glove. Boys, if you guys want a solid leather jacket or boots or anything else for fall and winter, you have to go check out our sponsor Thursday. Like I said, it's going to be the most affordable leather jacket you can find that's actually well built. And the great thing with Thursday is that because they're cutting out middlemen and they're selling directly to you, they can do so at a low price. And they even have the whole Zezo program where you can buy it in 4 installments. That way you don't have to purchase the whole thing at once. If you guys want to check out Thursday and see their entire lineup, click that link down below. Number 3, loose knit sweaters. Look, I love sweaters for fall and winter, especially the fitted ones. You look money. It's an easy way to elevate your status. But I think the loose knit sweaters are a move that too many men are ignoring. Look, this looser cut trend is probably not going anywhere for the next 5 years. It's been here for about 5 years, and it's gonna be here for another 5 years. And the loose knit cut, yo, those are so comfortable. The texture is great because it can level up any outfit. It's a little bit different and they're cozy. 4, the top coat. If you don't have one top coat, another piece you have to run. You have to get it. I have about maybe 4 top coats in my wardrobe. I would say half of those I bought about 2-3 years ago. Like when it comes to a top coat, you can't get trendy with that stuff. You buy a good one that cuts right above the knee so you look taller, that fits right on the body similar to a suit, you're good to go. You can wear that thing with anything, with a t-shirt, with a hoodie, with a suit, with a dress shirt. You could literally layer anything under that top coat, instant money look. Number 5, gray sweatpants. Gray sweatpants, you already know, this is your casual thirst trap. Right? These are our yoga pants. When we wear these, women are noticing. I'm telling you, if you don't have and by the way, I always say gray sweatpants, it doesn't have to be gray. Gray is great. It's a staple to have, but get different colors. The only thing you're looking for here, quality fabric, something that's thick, that's durable, again, that's going to last you seasons, and more importantly, that has room, right? You don't want it to be skin tight to the point that it looks like joggers. Number 6, the puffer vest. Here's where I choose the puffer vest over the puffer jacket. They're both great, but it depends on your area. I believe the puffer vest is more versatile around the world, meaning you can use the puffer vest as a great summer piece over a t-shirt, as a transitional piece in the fall where you could put it over a sweater, as a layering piece in the winter where you could put it over a jacket. Like the puffer vest has that versatility, whereas the puffer jacket you can really only use in really cold days. Which ultimately rolls us to number 7, and it's what your boy's wearing, a hoodie. And look, I have one rule with hoodies. You should wear it as it was originally designed. If you look at the original designer of hoodie, which was Champion, they designed that first hoodie to be a workwear piece, right? For people in factories that needed to stay warm. And a lot of those hoodies had a looser cut to give those workers more mobility, to make them feel more comfortable throughout the day. So in my opinion, when you're looking for a good hoodie, look for a looser cut that keeps you comfortable, keeps you warm. You're ready to go, bro.